In this video, we will learn how to convert INR to USD in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some INR amount. I want to convert it in USD. So is equal to write a Google Finance, tap it, use the quotation, type the currency, colon, then write INR USD. Again use the quotation, bracket close, into, and select the INR amount and just enter. That's it. Just copy and paste the formula in other cell. You can decrease the decimal place. Just click on it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.